Good day everyone, Denver Jason here from BSIT 1A. So in this video, pag-uusapan po natin ngayon is about sa fundamentals of counting. So before we proceed, ano nga ba ang fundamentals of counting? Fundamentals of countings are the basic ways we figure out how many possible outcomes are there in different situations. It's like having a toolkit with simple rule that helps us count possibilities without listing everything out. In simple words, isang paraan para malaman ng isang possible outcomes ang pwedeng mangyari sa isang sitwasyon o isang bagay. So for our discussion, counting is about finding the numbers of ways to combine or arrange items. The rule of product states that if one task has m possibilities and another has n, then doing both tasks together has m and n or multiplied by n possibilities, or m times n possibilities. So for our example, you have different types of car, and the other one is Volvo, the other one is BMW, Ford, and Mazda. So how many cars do you have? So that's counting. If you can do one thing in m ways and other thing in n ways, you can do both in m times n ways and possibilities. So paano nga ba siya na-apply sa information technology or sa IT? And for our example, dito gumamit po ako ng W3 School sa Google. And yung ginamit ko po dito is array. So ginawa ko dito is nag-declare lang po ako ng string data type. Yung variable name na po is cars. So ang value po ng cars po natin is meron tayong 4. So ito mga Volvo, BMW, Ford, tapos Mazda. So sa pagpiprint naman, nag-declare lang po ako dito ng system.out.println, tapos yung variable name natin na cars, tapos yung length. Yung purpose po ng length is para po i-total kung ilan po yung nasa loob ng ating variable. So pag nilan po natin yan, ang lalabas po na sagot is 4. Kasi 4 po yung nasa loob ng ating variable. So ganun po kung paano siya nakuha. So for our conclusion or reflection sa paggawa ng video na ito ay narealize ko kung gaano kahalaga ang matematika sa larangan ng IT or information technology. Ang simpleng konsepto ng fundamentals of counting ay pundasyon ng mas complex na topic tulad ng algorithms, data structures, cybersecurity, programming logic, at design system. Hindi lang pala ito numbers. Ito ang nag-i-explain kung bakit gumagana ang technology sa likod ng lahat ng ginagamit natin sa pang-araw-araw. And that's the end of our video, and I hope na may natutunan po kayo, and thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye!